Ramadan and Mudik in this pandemic, what's the impact? Hello audience, let me introduce myself. My name is Ratih Martina Putri with NIM F10722010002 from Biology Education of Tanjung Pura University. I will read the speech about the Ramadan and Mudik in the pandemic and the impact. As a human being, we definitely need another human to do a social process. Kind of social process, for example, is carrying out some communication activity or other forms of activity. As we interact with other human, it represents our human nature. We need other human for life. The interaction between a humans happens without any obstacles. Humans always interact without any rules that limited the kind of interact. But lately, at the beginning of 2020, the world has a significant change in a social process. This also affecting and limiting the forms of human activities. The whole world is attached to the virus, which is categorized as a pandemic by World Health Organization. With this ongoing pandemic, each government in each country has an implement different kind of procedures to minimize the spread of this disease outbreak. Including Indonesia, since the outbreak of the disease entered the territory of Indonesia, the government is ready to setting some strategies and procedures in order to minimize the spread of disease. Indonesian government implementing the health protocol such as washing the hands, wearing a mask, keeping a distance and avoid the crowds. The crowd avoidance in the beginning was very influential on human activities, especially economic activities, because in the beginning of the pandemic, all crowd-inducing activities were stopped. However, the government knowing the impact of stopping the crowd activity. Hence, the government allowed the crowd-inducing activities, but only the half by the normal capacity and implementing the high health protocols. Unfortunately, the disease outbreaks are still ongoing this day, but this has been triggered by the government, so the activities can be continued as usual, but still with the minimize the spread of the disease. This month, the Muslim people of Indonesia are welcoming and celebrating the month of fasting, or known as Ramadan. Ramadan is then identical with returning the home, or known as mudik. This year, the government implementing a policy to prohibit activities for mudik to the community. The purpose of the policy is also minimizing the spread of the disease. The prohibition is corn in May 6 or a week before the Eid al-Fitr. This policy is applied to all communities, but except for the people who have an urgent interest, such as when their families are sick, but it also requiring a strong evidence and must having an antigen test, so the people confirm negative from the disease and will not giving any bad impact to their families. But in the implementation of this policy are still many people who infect it. They actually doing the activities of returning home before the effective date, so it does not entering the prohibition policy. Due to minimize the spread of the disease, the community is obeyed policy, because why do we returning home but bring the disease and make the things worse instead? Better we maintain the security together, so in the future we can feel it together too. Because when we staying at home, it means we help minimizing the spread of the disease too. For the government provide the proper education of the disease to the community, so the community can understand what the points and the goals that be disposed for achieve. Thank you.